Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have made a lot of videos related to Instagram tricks. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check those videos. So now today in this video we will talk about how we can temporarily disable our Instagram account. Okay, so without further delays, let's start our video. First of all, if you open your Instagram account, from here if I go to my profile section and if I go to settings, then here you can see that we have no any option for temporarily disabling my account. Okay, so what you have to do is just cut this page and open any browser. For example, I will just open UC browser and from here I will go to Instagram. Here I will log into my account. Now I will click on login. Now I have opened my Instagram account in the web browser. Now if I go to my profile section, and from here you have to go to edit profile. Okay, just click on this edit profile. Now just scroll down and here you can see that there is an option for temporarily disable my account. Just click on it. Now here you have to select any reason why are you disabling your account. So I will select any option. Now here you have to now here you have to enter your password. So I will just re-enter my password. Now click on this temporarily disable account. Instagram will let you to confirm your action, so I have to click on this yes. Now you are all done, your account has been temporarily disabled. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do it now for more videos related to Instagram tricks. I will be back with another video related to Instagram tricks. Until then, goodbye and take care.